This is called for the celebrations of the new elected president of Nigeria, President Muhammad Buhari, as the Yoruba National Youth President. As the youth president, we are here to celebrate our amiable and our competent and capable president. And also, we are using this medium to say a big thank to Almighty God over our Baba, the Oshibanjo, the only illustrious sons of Yoruba among his contemporary. He is being valued. We love you so much, Baba Oshibanjo. We, the Yoruba youth, as the national president of Yoruba Youth Coalition, comprised of 71 youth groups, we are using this medium to say 4 plus 4 is 2023. 4 plus 4, 2023. And no shaking, because a man will be judged by the content of his character. One love, APC next level.